Welcome to Flowgy. In this video, we go through the fundamentals on how to work with a CT scan or similar. The CT scan or similar workspace is designed to easily and quickly visualize all necessary information which is contained in the CT scan. For example, this can be a magnetic resonance image scan or a cone beam. Right now, as we can see, the workspace is completely empty. Don't worry, the program isn't broken. To be able to work here, the first thing we have to do is to load a CT scan or a similar version. There are many ways how you can load different files into Flowgy. For example, we can go to the menu and select File, New Study or Open Study, and select the file we want. Another way would be to go to the menu and select File, Open Flowgy, or DICOM or NRRD. Or the last option, which is the easiest. We can also drag and drop files into Flowgy. In this version, we chose to open the DICOM file, and this is the way how you open it. You easily just navigate to the folder where your DICOM is saved, and then press the search button. After you've done that, the program automatically shows you all the DICOMs it could find. And then you just choose the one you want and click off Open. The loading time depends on the file we use. And here we already have our first visualization of a CT scan. Now we will go through the basic elements of the workspace layout. On the left side, we can see the functionality panel, which gives us all the information we need regarding our CT scan. First, the coordinational information, and second, the information which is included in the CT scan. On the right side, we have three windows that show the CT scan from different angles. These are the axial, top view, the coronal, in front view, and the sagittal view, the side view. The views are interchangeable, which means we can click on the first, second, or third button to see a different view. When we do that, the viewing angle we clicked will be shown in the middle, and the other views will be moved to the right side. This is a tremendous advantage in making our workflow much faster and easier. It will reduce the time we need greatly. If we, for example, click and hold the left mouse button and move around, we can see that the views are changing accordingly. The slider on the left side gives us the option to view the CT scan as a flowing image. If our CT scan, or a single image for example, does not have a good contrast, which means we are not able to identify bone structures or sinews, we have the option of changing the contrast. This is done by double-clicking and holding the left mouse button, and then draw into the direction until the result is satisfying to us. The contrast change is going to be applied to all of the pictures. If you want to reset the contrast back to normal, we can do that easily by clicking the reset button. We can also zoom in and out with the mouse wheel and put it back to normal by pressing the reset button for the image size. When we want to take a screenshot of our CT scan, we have to first change the name of the image here and then simply click the camera button. The file will be saved in the same folder where we got our CT scan from. The last option we have is to click the image with the right mouse button and set a point of interest. It is displayed as a green dot on top of the image. The moment we made the point of interest, we can see the exact coordinates of that point on the left side. This information is necessary if we need to change the parameters of the segmentation of the CT scan on a later time. These were already the basic elements of the CT scan or similar. Not that complicated, right?